Hello guys, welcome to Generation Revel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to share your TikTok video or any TikTok video to your Facebook story or anywhere on your Meta account. So let's go to our TikTok and search for a video that you want to share on your Facebook story. I'm just gonna scroll down here and find a video that I think people would find funny or relatable. It just depends on like the friends that you have. And look, it's a Minecraft video. This seems fun. All we need to do now is just click. The first method that you can do is you can first save this video, and what it does is that it will be saving the video that you have you chosen to your gallery. So like if you head to your gallery, you should be able to find the video. And if you now go to your Facebook, you can just select the video that you've chosen, and it will be, you can just upload it by clicking on share. But for me, I don't want to upload that story right now because I'm not I don't think it's the right time for me. And another thing that you can do is just click on the share button again and click on stories on this one, same color as Instagram, and I'll just hold on the your stories button down here, because Instagram